There's nothing worse than when your dessert betrays you.
Like, that was painful, but I would do it again because it tasted so good.
What's up, guys? It's Kat and Dev from Two Market Girls. Welcome back to another vegan recipe. And we couldn't go through our quick and easy September recipes without including dessert because that's against the law.
Because everyone needs to have dessert at least once a day.
At least once a day.
At least. Dessert is the most important meal of the day.
Exactly. So what did we make, Catherine?
We made a chocolate waffle ice cream sundae.
Perfect. And you know what? You can eat dessert at any point in the day.
Breakfast.
Yeah, waffles are breakfast.
Yes.
Hello. Before we get into the recipe, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future vegan recipes every Sunday and whatever Wednesdays every other Wednesday. And without further ado, it's time for dessert.
To make your chocolate waffle ice cream sundae, you're first going to start off by making your chocolate waffles. You're first going to start off by preheating your waffle iron on medium-high heat and giving it a little spray with some non-stick cooking oil. While your waffle iron preheats, we're going to make the batter. So to a bowl, you want to combine some all-purpose flour with some cacao powder, white sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and just mix that until it's nice and combined. Then to the dry ingredients, we're going to add our wet ingredients. So we're going to add some vegan buttermilk that you make by combining some soy milk with some apple cider vinegar. Then we're going to add in some vanilla extract, some flax eggs, and melted coconut oil, and then we're going to mix that until it's nice and smooth. Then taking about a cup of the batter at a time, we're going to pour it into the preheated waffle iron, and cook that until it's nice and golden and crispy. It's gonna hard to see that it's golden because this is a brown batter, but that should take about 5 to 6 minutes. And then you're gonna repeat that until you get all 4 to 5 of your waffles. Then to finish off your sundae, you're just gonna top your waffles with some vegan ice cream, flavor of your choice. We're using vanilla ice cream. And then all the other toppings are optional, but you can include something like a chocolate sauce, fruit, sprinkles, whipped cream, some maraschino cherries for on top, whatever you want. Yes.
What are you doing with that?
I'm making
Just
my
building a
perfect
little-
bite. Also, did you add maraschino cherries at all to yours?
I didn't.
Okay, so like I've never had a maraschino cherry on an actual ice cream sundae before. I love it. It is so good.
I don't know if I love it, so I didn't get any. So
That's smart. I also didn't get chocolate sauce because I was like, I don't want to buy chocolate sauce. So it's fine.
See, I didn't get whipped cream, but I did make a chocolate sauce.
Okay, I saw your chocolate sauce in the photo and I was like, that looks homemade.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
Okay, time to try.
Okay. Ready.
I made my perfect bite. That
That is so good. While Catherine has a brain freeze, I'll just tell you how freaking delicious these waffles are. Oh my gosh.
I put this whole thing in the freezer because I was photographing it and I didn't want it to melt. So even the waffles are frozen. And the strawberries are frozen. So everything's just frozen.
There's nothing worse than when your dessert betrays you.
Like, that was painful, but I would do it again because it tasted so good. The waffles taste like chocolate cake.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think in the comments we should talk about everyone's favorite sundae toppings.
Yeah.
Because you could put a lot more on this masterpiece. This is a good base, but you know, we can build on that.
Yeah, what's your like perfect sundae? List all the toppings on your perfect sundae. What's yours?
What
Deb?
else do you need?
Me first?
Yeah, you first.
So I think I actually almost have it. It's ice cream, fresh berries, whipped cream, sprinkles, a maraschino cherry, I learned today. But I also think maybe some like nuts or something on top. I would like a crushed pecan or something like that. for some like added texture, but I think this is almost my perfect sundae.
I think if I was going to add anything to this, or to any sundae, I considered like some Oreo crumbles maybe.
Ooh.
Would be really good. Or like some kind of cookie crumble on top. I don't know, because like cookie dough ice cream is so good, so just throw cookies on your sundae.
Yes. Should we make Oreo cookie waffles? And then put
Yes.
ice cream on it? Oreo cookie waffle ice cream sandwiches.
Yes. Okay. Future recipe.
Yo, sprinkles are so good.
Thank you. Hello. So in the comments, share with us your favorite sundae toppings that you will maybe be putting on this Sunday or any future Sundays or past Sundays.
Or Saturdays.
You know what? Yeah. Or you know what? Mondays. Mondays need a Sunday. Am I right?
Mondays need it. Oh.
As usual, the recipe will be linked in the description box below. There's also a link to our podcast. It's called Camera Eats First. It comes out every Monday, everywhere that you get podcasts. We talk about veganism, how we make our recipes, how we run our blog, and we keep you up to date on trending news topics in the vegan world. There's also a link to our Patreon community. Our patrons are a lovely group of people who support the work that we do, and in exchange, we give them some bonus content. So if you're able to support us, we really, really appreciate that. But if not, that's okay. Give this a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share it with somebody who needs more Sundays in their week.
Who needs some more sugar in their lives.
That's right.
I'm making some like weird faces and like things while you talk, and I didn't realize until like halfway through.
I thought that was normal.
Oh yeah, it's pretty normal. Yo, that was under 6 minutes.
Oh, I felt like we dilly-dallied a lot.
Right? I really thought we dilly-dallied.
Dilly-dallying.
What a Canadian thing to say.
Is that a Canadian?
I don't know if it is, but it feels Canadian.
Okay, I think it just feels like a mom thing to say.
Yeah. Don't dilly-dally.
Well, I'm gonna dilly-dally my way out of here.